What a leap! Pure athleticism, an incredible dive.
The raw power, the sheer athleticism of that tiger.
Absolutely incredible. A flawless execution, truly amazing. Unbelievable. A flawless display. What a masterclass.
Absolutely delightful. What a character, a truly unique performance.
Have you seen those videos where animals are diving like Olympic athletes, doing flips, spins, and perfect landings into a pool? They look so real. It's hard to believe they were made with AI. Well, here's something cool. You don't need to be an expert or spend a lot of money to make those kinds of videos. All you need is a good prompt, access to Google Veo3, and a simple CapCut edit. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own Animal Olympics diving video from start to finish. It's fun, easy, and if you stick around till the end, you might even get an idea on how to earn from it too. Before you jump into Google Veo3, you need a good prompt. This is where Google Gemini comes in. Gemini can help you come up with the perfect idea for your Animal Olympics diving video. All you have to do is type in a short idea like, I want to create Animal Olympics diving videos using Google Veo3. The scene should take place at an Olympic diving tournament with a large crowd of spectators in the stadium. There's a professional Olympic-sized swimming pool with a 10-foot-high springboard. The video should show an animal, such as a lion, dolphin, dog, or any creative choice, leaping off the springboard and performing acrobatic diving stunts midair before landing smoothly in the water. The environment should be energetic and realistic, with cheering from the crowd. A short, enthusiastic commentary by a sports announcer should accompany the scene, describing the dive in the style of an Olympic broadcast. The overall vibe should be fun, cinematic, and feel like a real sporting event. Gemini will suggest a full, detailed prompt you can use right away or tweak a little. It doesn't just give you random lines. Gemini starts by giving you a quick overview of what's happening in the video. It tells you where the scene is taking place, like a stadium, jungle pool, or Olympic arena. This helps set the mood and gives Google Veo a clear idea of what kind of background and environment to generate in your video. Next, Gemini describes the animal in detail. It might say, a muscular lion wearing swim goggles, or a cute penguin in a red diving suit. These little details make your video more fun and unique. You can use this to guide Veo3 in generating realistic and visually cool animals that match the Olympic theme. Gemini also explains the diving action clearly. For example, it might say, the gorilla jumps from a 10-meter platform, spins twice, then lands clean in the water. These diving moves are the most exciting part, and this section helps Google Veo understand the motion, timing, and athletic style of the animal's dive. To make the video more cinematic, Gemini adds camera directions. It could suggest a slow zoom as the animal climbs the platform or a dramatic close-up just before the jump. It may also recommend tracking shots or a slow pan to follow the dive. This gives your video that professional and movie-like feel. For the final touch, Gemini can add bonus ideas, like slow-motion dives to add drama, cheering fans in the background to boost excitement, or a funny sports commentator saying things like, "That's a dive only a dolphin could love." These small extras bring your video to life and make it way more entertaining. Gemini goes even further by suggesting ready-made prompt examples you can use right away to create your diving videos. If you don't like the animal in the example, you can simply replace it with a different one, or just ask Gemini to give you more options. It makes the whole process fast and super easy. Here's one of the prompts Gemini gave me as an example. Photorealistic cinematic video. A grand Olympic diving stadium, filled with a roaring, enthusiastic crowd under bright, Vibrant stadium lights. A sleek, intelligent dolphin with shimmering blue-gray skin approaches the edge of the 10-foot-high springboard, its tail fin gently tapping. The camera performs a slow dolly shot, tracking the dolphin as it launches into a powerful, impossibly high arc, performing a triple somersault with elegant twists. Its body remains perfectly streamlined before a near splashless, vertical entry. A professional, enthusiastic commentator exclaims, "Unbelievable! The synchronized spins, the flawless form, a masterclass in aquatic acrobatics." The audio features the high-pitched squeak of the springboard, a subtle whoosh of air, the clean splash, and the deafening roar of the crowd erupting in a standing ovation, interspersed with cheers and camera flashes. Now that we've got our prompt, let's move on to Google Veo3 and turn it into a realistic Animal Olympics diving video. If you already have access to Google Veo3 through Google AI Studio, the next step is to go to Google Flow. Just search Google Flow on Google and log in using your Gmail account. If you don't have an active subscription yet, no worries. You can sign up for a free 1-month trial at zero cost. Once that's done, log into Google Flow and you're ready to start creating your video. You'll find the link to Google Flow in the video description. Go ahead and click it. It will take you straight to the Flow website. Once you're there, click Create with Flow, then choose Create New Project to get started. When your new project opens up, scroll down and click inside the text box. That's where you'll paste the prompt we got from Gemini. Next, click on Settings. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see an option to choose your AI model. There are 4 choices, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on just 2. Veo3 Fast, text to video only. Veo3 Quality includes audio and voiceover. Now, here's the catch. Veo3 Quality gives better-looking videos, but it uses 100 credit points per video. If you want to save credits, just go with Veo3 Fast. That's what I'm using in this tutorial. Now, go ahead and copy one of the prompts you got from Gemini and paste it into Google Flow. You can use it as it is, or tweak a few words to match exactly what you have in mind, like changing the animal, the type of dive, or the setting. If you're not sure what to change, you can always go back to Gemini and ask it to help you adjust the prompt. Just give it a clear instruction, like make this prompt funnier, or use a dolphin instead of a lion, and it'll rewrite it for you. Ensure you've selected text to video. Scroll down and hit Generate. And that's it. You're on your way to making your own Animal Olympics diving video. If this is helping you, do me a small favor. Like this video and drop a comment that says, "Create more of this video," so I know to keep the free tutorials coming. Our video is ready. Let's preview it.
Unbelievable. A flawless display. What a masterclass. Unbelievable. A flawless display. What a masterclass.
Before downloading, it's a good idea to upscale the video to make it sharper and better quality, especially if you plan to post it on YouTube or TikTok. To do that, click on the Upscale button. This will take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and video length. After the upscale is done, go ahead and download the upscaled version to your device. That's the version you'll want to use for editing and sharing. Now you've got a clean, high-quality AI-generated Animal Olympics diving video ready to go now. Go ahead and repeat the same process for the rest of your videos. Take each prompt that Gemini gives you and paste them into Google Flow, one after the other. This way, you'll be able to build a full set of Animal Olympics diving clips, each with its own fun and unique moment. But here's something to keep in mind. Not every video will come out perfect on the first try. Sometimes the animal might look a bit odd. The dive might not be smooth, or the background might glitch a little, and that's okay. AI tools like Veo are powerful, but they're still learning, just like us, so don't worry if something looks off. You can regenerate the video with the same prompt or tweak the wording a bit to get better results. Even small changes, like adjusting the camera direction or adding a clearer action, can make a big difference. Be patient and keep testing. The more you play with it, the better your videos will get. As we already know, Google Veo3 generates videos that are just 8 seconds long. So if you want to make your final video longer and more engaging, you'll need to combine multiple clips together. To do this, we'll use a video editing tool like CapCut or Canva. For this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut because it's free, easy to use, and works well for this kind of project. We're going to take all the short diving clips we generated and line them up one after the other, almost like a highlight reel of different animals competing in an Olympic diving event. Open CapCut and start a new project. It gives you a blank editing space where you can bring everything together. Simply drag and drop all your clips into the timeline in the order you want them to appear. You'll see them line up like puzzle pieces, ready to become one complete video. Now, play through each scene. If you notice a small pause or delay at the beginning or end of a clip, just trim those parts out. This helps keep the flow smooth and makes the video feel more professional. If you want to make the transitions between clips feel softer, you can add a mix, fade, or any other transition effect. This part is optional, but it can really improve the look and feel of your final video. If your scenes don't have audio, or if you want to change the sound, this is the right time to add your background music or voiceover. Just drag the audio file below your video clips on the timeline, then adjust the volume so it blends well. You can even use CapCut's built-in music or sound effects to make your video more fun and engaging. Want to add a bit of personality? Go ahead and add text, like your brand name or anything else. Click the text option. Type your message. Choose a font and color you like, and place it anywhere on the screen. You can also upload your logo and pin it to a corner, so it stays visible throughout the video. Once everything looks good, click the Export button. Choose a resolution. 1080p is perfect for most platforms, and CapCut will render your project into one clean, shareable video file. And just like that, your Animal Olympics diving video is ready for the world to see. Every scene, every sound, and every moment, all brought together by your creativity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.